Often children who are struggling academically get labeled as being either lazy or naughty, but actually there could be something else underlying all this. A child could have a learning difficulty or dyslexia, and because they're struggling to understand what is going on in a class that is full of other children who completely get it, it obviously impacts on their self-esteem, and they just want to leave the room, so they misbehave so that the teacher can ask them to leave. Another set of children are those who actually do get it, but because they've got something like ADHD and they're struggling to concentrate and focus, they are unable to learn. And then there is another category of children who have both learning difficulties and ADHD. So how does one deal with this? Firstly, the parents have to accept that there is an issue. Then you need to discuss it with school and come up with a plan to help and support your child with their learning in school. If the extra help and support is advantageous to the child, then it is likely that this is a learning issue. Despite the extra help, if the child is still struggling, then maybe they actually need an assessment for ADHD by a specialist, paediatrician, or child psychiatrist. And if a diagnosis of ADHD is made, this child might even need some medication to help them focus, and that is how the learning will improve. And obviously, if the child has ADHD and a learning issue, it is likely that in addition to the extra help, the medication will also benefit. So sometimes this situation is a bit of a chicken and egg, or both.